Hello, my good traders. This is another episode of our Forex training. And this is a free Forex training that you can find on Leading Forex YouTube channel. Now, there has been one major challenge confronting Forex traders, and it has to do with how they often end up losing their monies in their life accounts. And people do say that the challenge is as a result of lack of funds, or the fact that they do not have enough money in their accounts. I have also sat down, and based on my experience in this Forex market for the past 5 years, I can tell you that the challenge is not actually the amount you have in your life account, but rather your risk management is the cause of losing your account. When it comes to risk management, we are talking about lot sizes. The lot size that you use in taking trades will determine how long your account will stay or how fast your account will be gone. If you end up blowing your accounts time and again, then it means that there's something wrong with your risk management, which has to do with your lot sizes. And because of that, I have taken my time to do this video once again. I have done this video, but this one is going to be a different approach to actually make you get this once and for all. So please take your time and let's watch this video and listen to this tutorial step by step. Now, the question is, how much do you need to start live trading? I always tell people that use any amount that you can afford to lose. And whenever I say that, people say, what I can afford to lose doesn't mean that I am coming to lose. Losses are part of the game. You may lose. Losses are inevitable. You definitely, on your way, get to see one or two come your way. So losses are part of the game. But how do you manage these losses that are coming or that will be coming? That is the actual problem. So this video, we are going to talk about risk management and how to choose the right lot size for your account, no matter the account balance. How to choose the right lot size for your account, no matter the account size. Is that okay? Are we good? Now, let's set the ball rolling. Now, I have opened to my free Telegram channel. And this channel is a free one that anyone can join. The channel name is Forex Signals Only. Although my YouTube name is Leading Forex, I do not have Leading Forex on Telegram or any other name with regards to leading whatsoever on Telegram. My Telegram handle or my free Telegram channel is Forex Signals Only. It's a free group that anyone can join. The reason I do not have Leading Forex on Telegram is because when I created the YouTube channel some years back, I decided to use the same name on Telegram. But when I tried subscribing, I was told that that name Leading Forex has been taken by someone already. So I could not use that name on Telegram. So because of that, I decided to create one channel name known as Forex Signals Only. So Forex Signals Only is actually the official free channel for Leading Forex on YouTube. So if you are watching this video on YouTube, know that I don't have any other Telegram name apart from Forex Signals Only, which is a free one. If you want to be part of my VIP group, that one is exclusive group. You cannot join that group until I give you the link. And so for that one, I don't want to even talk about it. But the free one that you can easily join, I want you to know that when you go on Telegram to search for Leading Forex, you will not get me there unless you search for Forex Signals Only. And so when you look here, you will see that the Telegram channel name is Forex signals only. That is our official Telegram name. This is the link. Forex signals only. It's one word. So that is my official Telegram channel for Leading Forex. So once you come to Telegram and you search for Forex signals only, you will see my logo. You see it there. And the subscribers as I speak to you now is 1,244. And the name is Forex signals only. But if you are searching for it on Telegram, it should be one word, Forex signals only, one word. Now, I am taking my time to explain this because people are creating different Telegram handles with Leading Forex. And they are doing what we call impersonation. They are luring people to believe that it is me, whilst it is not me. And people are being duped or scammed. That is why I'm taking time to explain this to you so that you don't fall a victim to any scammer. So this is my free Telegram channel that you can join. I don't have any other Telegram channel. Is that okay? Good. Now, those who are in this group, when they see my signals, these signals are free. I have the VIP one that you need to pay for yearly subscription, which is $100 for 12 months. Some of the signals I share on the VIP group, I share the same ones or some of them on the free channel. So if you look at this signal here, it's from my VIP group that I shared here. And it's GBPJPY sell. As I speak, the profit has hit. But I want to use this as an example to explain the risk management stuff that I'm talking about. A few people will see this signal and say, hey, Kofi, your stop loss is about 100 pips over here. That is too much for some of us having an account balance of $10, $20, $50, $100. Because if you are giving us a trade with a stop loss of 100 pips, then it means that we cannot trade such a signal because our account balance is very small. That is not true. Even if your account balance is $10, you can trade this signal. How can you do that? It will depend on your risk management. And risk management is about lot sizes. So let's assume that you saw this signal and you want to take it. Upon seeing my stop loss being 100 pips, you are asking yourself at this moment, what should be your lot size? Because your account balance is just $10. What should be your lot size? As a beginner, it might be difficult for you to guess the right lot size to use. And because of that, I am going to take you to a tool. This tool will help you to be able to choose the right lot size for any signal that you will see on my channel or any other channel that maybe you have joined. Any signal that will come your way or any analysis you may do yourself and will want to take a trade. What I'm going to show you now will help you to choose the right lot size depending on your account size. Is that okay? So I want you to take this signal here, for example. This signal, I want you to take note of the entry. If you can write it somewhere, that will be fine. The entry is a sell at 180.910. That is the entry price. 180.910. And also write down the stop loss price. The stop loss price is also 181.910. 181.910. So you take note of the entry price and then the stop loss price. Now, are we all good? Now that we all good, let's go to our browser. I'm taking you straight to our browser. Now, here we are on our browser. When you go to your browser, you will search for switch markets. switch markets, as you can see. Then you search for it. When you search for switch market, these are the options that will pop up. Now, anytime you are searching for anything on Google, when you see the first link that comes with sponsored, ignore it. And then go for the next one that comes with no sponsored. Is that okay? That is a tip for you. So all are having Swiss market, but one is a sponsored link. The other one is not a sponsored link, but coming from the real website. So you choose the one that is not sponsored. So we'll pick the second one here, which is this one. We click on it. Now it has opened to the Swiss markets. There's a lot of tools for traders to use. Maybe we may not have an account with them, but we can take advantage of the tools that they have. Now, so when you get to their website here, you will come to the menu that says platforms and tools. When you come to this platform here, that says the platform and tools, the menu here, you see the first tool that you will see. They have a lot of tools. They have lot size calculator. They have economic calendar. They have currency meter. They have Forex profit calculator, market heat map, PIP calculator, Forex swap calculator, Forex margin calculator, free resources, EA tools for traders, and the rest. Now, this same area, when you come to platform and tools, those of you who always try to download MetaTrader 4 and you end up getting MetaTrader 5, you can easily come to this same platform, and then they have their MetaTrader 4 here. Under the platforms, you see download MT4. You can easily download the MT4 and start using it. All right. So if you want an MT4 to download, you can easily go to the Swiss markets, their platform, and then you click to download the MetaTrader 4. Now, our interest is in the first one, lot size calculator. That is where our interest is. So when you come to lot size calculator, now this is the lot size calculator. It has opened. You want to know what lot size to use on your account because you have seen a signal that you want to take. Don't forget, GBP JPY is a trade that we want to take, but we don't know what lot size to use because the stop loss is about 100 pips and your account balance is also $10 or $20 or $50 or $100 or whatever amount. You don't know what lot size to use. Once you come to this lot size calculator, there are a few things on this that I want to take my time to demonstrate or to explain. The very first one you will see is instruments. When you come to the instruments, that is where the currency pairs are. So you choose the currency pair that you are about to take a trade on. So you click here, it opens. Then maybe you search for GBP, or you scroll down to look for GBP JPY. So this is GBP JPY here. You select it. Now, don't forget, I asked you to write down the entry price. At this moment, they are asking you to put in your entry level. And do you remember your entry level? If you don't, our entry level was 180.910. 180.910. So you put in your entry price over here. And then you come to the deposit currency. The deposit currency has to do with your account. What account denomination do you have? Is your account in dollars, or is in Naira, or is in GBP, which is the pound sterling, or JPY, or whatsoever? So whatever denomination is your account, you choose it here. For instance, mine is in dollars. So I'll click here and choose dollars, which is USD. So my account is in dollars. I choose that over here. Now, they are asking me to put in the stop loss level, the stop loss that we saw on the signal. We are being asked to put that stop loss here. And what was the stop loss? The stop loss was 181.910. So we'll put in the 181.910. So we have entered our stop loss also here. Now, the next thing is risk tolerance, and then risk percentage, and then account balance. So at the account balance section here, you put your account balance in here. So assuming your account balance is $10, you put the $10 here. If your account balance is $30, you put the 30 there. If your account balance is $55, you put it there. If your account balance is whatsoever amount, you put it here. So for instance, let's say the account balance is $100. I'll put the $100 here. Now, the question here is risk tolerance. How much risk do you want to use on the $100? How much are you ready to risk on the $100? Do you want to quote it in percentage, or you want to quote it in real amount? That is under the risk tolerance. So you see it here, percentage. If you want to quote the amount in percentage, for instance, you have $100 in your account. You have seen the signal on GBP JPY. You have entered the entry. You have entered the stop loss. How much do you want to risk? Is it $10 on the $100? Or you want to risk $20 from the $100? Or you want to risk $30 from the $100? How much do you want to risk from the $100? Or do you want to quote it in percentage? Do you want to risk 10% of the $100? Or you want to risk 20% of the $100 or 50% of the $100? So if you want it in percentage, then you leave it in percentage here. But if you want it in amounts, then you change the percentage here to fixed amount. You see it? Fixed amount. So here is going to be an amount that you want to risk. So if you want to risk $20 out of the $100, which is your account balance, then you put the fixed amount here, the amount you want to risk here. So you want to risk $20. So you put in the $20 here. Now, when you finish putting all these, then you click on calculate. You see calculate below. So you then click on calculate. So before we click on calculate, let's go through this once more for you to get it perfectly. You are about to take a signal on GBP JPY. It's a sell. You have your entry level, which is here. You have your stop loss, which is here. The risk tolerance, you want to quote it in amount. So you said you want to risk only $20 from the $100 on this signal. So it means that this signal, which is GBP JPY, you only want to risk $20 on it. You don't want to risk more than $20. So it means that if this trade should even go against you, you are going to lose only $20. That is what you are willing to lose. Is that clear? So by putting your $20 here as the fixed amount that you want to lose from your $100, then you can calculate to know what lot size you should use. So let's calculate. Once you click on calculate, it gives you the details. And now you can see the details below. So they are telling you that the position lot size that you should use is 0.02. And if you use a lot size of 0.02, they are telling you that you lose $14.1. It is not even going to be up to the $20. So it means that you can't go more than 0.02. Once you go more than 0.02, the amount you will lose will be more than $20. And because you said you don't want to lose more than $20, then they are telling you that the right lot size you can use is 0.02. And it is only one trade you can take with this lot size. And if you take 0.02 as your lot size, you will lose 14.10. That is the amount you will lose. If you change the lot size to 0.03, the amount you will lose will be more than $20. Although the $14.1 you are going to lose will not be up to the $20. That doesn't mean that if that's the case, you should increase the lot size to maybe 0.03. No. They are telling you specifically with specific rules what lot size you can use. So once you know what lot size you can use, you go and then you set up your trade with that lot size. Then you can input your stop loss details and whatsoever details that is on the signal, and you are good to go. It is so simple to do. It is not difficult. But I'm going to do another example again for you to perfectly understand this. Let's assume on this same signal, you want to lose maybe $50 from, sorry, you want to risk. I'm not saying you are going to lose it, but you are putting that as a risk in case it should even go in loss. So get the two. By quoting the amount you want to risk doesn't mean that that is what you will lose. You are only quoting how much in case the trade should even go against you, you are willing to lose. So let's assume that your account balance is still $100, or better still, let me make it $10 this time. Let's use the least. Those of you saying, I have just $10 and your stop loss is 100 pips, so I cannot take that trade. Okay. Your account balance is $10. The question is, how much are you willing to risk? Is it $2 or $5, or that you want to risk the whole $10? So let's assume we want to risk only $5. Let's calculate and see. Now, if you want to risk only $10, if you want to risk $5 from your $10, they are saying that the lot size you can use is 0.01. And with 0.01, if the trade should go against you, GBP JPY should go against you 100 pips, you will lose only 7.05. You will lose $7. So it means that the standard lot you can use is 0.01, which you can lose up to $7.05. So it means that if your account balance is $10 and you still want to take this trade, then you will have to make sure that your risk or position size or the lot size you will use is 0.01. And with 0.01 on your $10, you will lose 7.05 in case the trade should go against you. And it's just one trade you can take. So you see it. Let's assume your account balance is $50 and you want to risk $25 out of it. That is half of the $50. $25 out of the $50. What lot size can you use? Now they are saying that the lot size you can use, if you want to risk $25 out of $50, the lot size you should use is 0.03. 0.03. And the 0.03, if the trade should go against you up to 100 pips, you are going to lose $21.15, which is not even up to the $25. But if you should increase the lot size more than this 0.03 they are giving you here, it means you are going to lose more than the $25. So the right lot size that you can use, if you want to lose $25 out of your $50, then you would have to use 0.03 as your stop loss. Sorry, as your lot size for a stop loss of 100 pips. Assuming your stop loss is not up to 100 pips, but maybe 50 pips, then you put in the stop loss of 50 pips here, the quotes here. So if the entry level is 180.910, then it means that 50 pip stop loss is going to be 181.41. That would be 50 pips. So if you want to use a stop loss of 50 pips and your account balance is $50, you want to risk $25, what lot size can you use? Calculate. Now they are saying that If you want to use the stop loss of 50 pips on GBP JPY, and you want to risk $50, you want to risk only $25 out of your $50, then the lot size you should use is 0.07. 0.07. And with that, how much are you going to lose? If the trade should go and hit your stop loss, you lose $24.68. It is so easy. Every pair you will choose and its value. So if GBP JPY is giving you this, don't assume that the rest will give you the same. No. Every pair and its value. So all you need to do is when you see a signal or you see any calculations or you do your own analysis and you see any signal and you want to take, put in your entry level here. Choose the currency pair here first. They are all here. All the major currencies are here. Choose the currency pair first. Put in the entry level, which is the entry price. Put in the stop loss price. If it is 30 pips stop loss, 50 pips stop loss, do the calculation and put the price here. Choose your account denomination. If it's in the account is in dollars, you put the dollars there. Whatever currency it is, you put it there. Then you choose the risk tolerance. How much you want to risk. Maybe your account balance is $70. How much do you want to risk out of the $70? You decide. Then you put it here. Then you put the account balance here. And then you calculate. And it will give you the position lot size. The lot size is what you are interested in. Once you get the lot size, you know how much you will lose if it should hit your stop loss. So easy. This is for beginners. This is for someone who cannot easily guess what lot size to use off head. You have this risk calculator here, which is the lot size calculator to help you manage your risk very well. So please take advantage of this. There's no signal you cannot take on any account. Any account balance, you can take a signal on it, provided you know the right lot size to use. And once you know this too, and you know how to calculate the right lot size, you are good to go. So please use this calculator over here to be able to know the right lot size to use for whichever trade you will see or whichever signal that you will see. It will help you to even know if in case you lose, how much you are losing. You get it? Thank you very much. I know you have enjoyed this video, but if you have any question, please at the comment section, put your questions there. I'll take my time and explain further in maybe other videos. But I think this video should settle issues with risk management in terms of what lot size you can use on your account. This video should settle it. So anytime you see any signal, anytime you want to take any trade, I am sure you'll be able to calculate and know the right lot size to use on your account for whichever trade you want to take. My name is Kofi, your admin. If there's anything bothering you, please put the question there on this video, the comment section. And let me come in and read the questions and answer them for you. Take care. Until then, there will be another video soon. Okay, let me say this before I end. Sometimes on the website, you may be seeing these pop-ups. When you see this pop-up, they are asking you to register for a demo account. All you need to do is, if you want this to disappear, just go and refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, that pop-up should disappear. Once you refresh the page, it should disappear. Anytime it pops up, just refresh, and then it will disappear. Is that okay? All right. Thank you very much. I'll see you again in another video.